Look at that!
Yes!
Congratulations!
Lived here for 30 years and we didn't realise it was the steepest street in the world, but it is very steep and it's a good heart starter walking up and down the hill. Well, Harlech's sort of fairly well known. We've got a World Heritage Grade 1 listed castle right next door to us here. It's a lovely part of the world, and to have this extra accolade can do nothing but good for the town and bring more people in. We've got all the scenery, we've got a castle, we've got a beach, we've got Mount Snowdon across the bay, and now we have a Guinness World Records achievement right in the middle of town. Fantastic.
Cannot say how pleased we are that Ffordd Pen Llech has now been recognised as the steepest street, not just in Wales, not just in the UK, not just in Europe, but in the entire world. I first realised this street was a contender for the steepest street in the world when my flash new car, well it's not actually, slid straight down the street with all four tyres locked.
Well, I run a local page on Facebook called Grŵp Cymuned Harlech, or the Harlech Community Group, and Gwyn had posted his ponderings about the steepness of the street on there, and I thought, you know, he's onto something here, and decided to get behind him, as did the whole community. We're taking it from New Zealand, and, you know, personally I feel a little bit bad about that, and I wish we could share it. But, you know, the street is steeper. It's our time to shine now, so sorry, New Zealand. It's a bit of a, yeah, it's a fun but crazy hill.
But to also have the steepest street in the world recognised by Guinness World Records, it's just absolutely brilliant. It's brilliant for Harlech, it's brilliant for Wales, it's brilliant for Britain as well.
Having a shop on the steepest street is, I think it'll really boost the economy. We're so lucky to have a Guinness World Record street, World Heritage Castle.
New Zealand must be miffed by having the record taken away, but they've had it for a while, they've had a fair crack of the whip, and now it's our turn.